What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be building, gonna be doing some stuff on Minecraft. Let's do it.
I'll play.
So guys, we're on their world, so let's turn it around.
Boy.
No. By the way, I'm on the left and he's on the right. So you might just want to watch me, so I'm better.
What are you doing?
Making a house for you.
What, for all of us? For you?
And for you. So get in.
No, I want it for you and me.
Okay.
I want it bigger. Yay, your door. That's going to be the door, isn't it? So I'll get the doors.
No. Don't.
But quick.
So I'll just put.
I died. Ow. Stop it. Stop it. Stop killing me.
So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. But first I want to show you something. For that, so you need a Minecraft TNT cart, and then a rail, and then all you need is just obsidian or bedrocks, and then you put it like four. Like this. If you can see. And by the way, I only